Good morning, people. Look at this beautiful sun this morning. Wow, this beautiful sun this morning. Whoa. Look at that beautiful sun against the trees. That's what I'm talking about. Hold on. This beautiful sun. Oh, good morning, ackee tree. How are you guys doing? Yeah. That's just the cameras. They're going off. Oh, and the coconut. Hold on, beautiful sun. All right, guys. See, I'm gonna plant these corns at some point. So this is Jamaica Good Life. This is Randy. This is what life is like. No, for drinking, I have something that I'm drinking. You know, doing my fast. This is my fever grass and mint tea. Make me lose a lot of weight. Some lime in there. So basically, this is the drink we're drinking in the mornings. Did our morning run, feeling good. Stomach is looking flat. We're not going to show you the result yet. But I'm going to clean this spot up so we can start doing our yoga here. Get a mat. Going to fix up the weights bench. And we're going to start planting. We're going to start planting some stuff here. Now, right over here is where I hang the pull-up bar. So I could do pull-ups there. My water boat is over there. So now, my peppers are right here. A bird pepper. So we're going to plant the chocho of them along this wall. And we're going to plant in here the callaloo and the cabbage. Might have to make a little greenhouse because the worm them love the cabbage. And lettuce. So we're going to see what we're going to do this season. Remember, I said there's no... So I will get one of the experts. Faye, come help me. You see them tree them over there, so? Want to go over there, so, you know, and cut down some of the tree there. And plant some ackee tree over there. You see? Now I find the ants' nest. This is how we live in Jamaica. We find the ants' nest. Ah, it's a beautiful day, as usual. So this is another side of Jamaica that you don't see. You watch YouTube, you don't see... Okay. How is it now? You don't see the... You don't see the returning resident side in the nice neighborhoods. You don't see that side of Jamaica. The side of Jamaica you hear about and you see is the crime, who's shooting who, who's lying on who. Remember we tell you, you know, all you hear is who's shooting who, who's killing who get murdered, who got shot. Are you hearing about the guy who's planting his tuna? The guy with him one yam or him one fever grass? You hear about the guy where cutting one banana tree? Did they tell you about that guy? We have him little stick. Them tell you about the guy there? We have him little stick. The guy will have him little pear. Him have him little tree. Them tell you about that guy there? Them tell you about the guy we running at the morning at 5 o'clock in the neighborhood and come and pick him little what the name now? Leaf of Life and eat it. Them tell you about that guy there? Eh? Them tell you about the guy with the one little cocoa plant at Jamaica? They don't tell you that. Eh? They tell you about everybody who gets shot and who will do this and who will do that and gossip. Them not tell you about the good life. Them tell you about the guy who always watch the bees. No, man, because you see, one are focused on in a life, you know, and what everybody else are focused on. Oh, no, you know what this show is brought to you by? Mind your business and shut your mouth. See? This is what this show is focused on, people. Mind your business and shut your mouth. Make a count some ackee tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ackee tree. The news report how much ackee tree Randy have online, big ackee tree. Did the news report that? Did TVJ report say Randy have a ackee open up? Did TVJ report that? No, man. They now look on the good life. Did TVJ report say red ants almost take over Randy ackee tree? And Randy cut off the ackee limb and the red ants then couldn't even come. Did the TVJ report that good news? No. So what kind of life Uno deal with? Eh? When was like TVJ had like a callaloo competition planting? When was the last time you see a callaloo competition planting in a ghetto? Ghetto people, Uno have car tire, Uno plant callaloo. No man, Uno want to be Americans. Well, if Uno want to be like Americans, Uno go and die like Americans. And money, everything is money. When man start buy fever grass at supermarket, man I go dead. Cause we don't make, my grandmother never make no fever grass machine. My grandmother never make no processor for fever grass in a factory. You see, when we lose the value of our grandparents, we're good as dead. And then we're so afraid. You better go buy a bulletproof vest and gun and come back and plant your planting. And if a man thief one up here, shot him again. Eh? Big up to mama, you know who you is. Me meet a woman, you see, and the most powerful woman I ever met. He teach me a lot about farming. Eh? Me call him mama for now. So Brandy, I'm one like a yam. I'm one like a yam thick. Eh? So I go clean up the thing. Look like somebody I try to jump the wall. Make them come back again. I go and give it to them, you see. Give it to them. So, people, this is what my morning look like now. See, look at dirty red ants them there. Eh? See, look at dirty red ants there. I go and get them. Them think them asleep, you know. When them think, you know, Janet, when them think it's, what am I going to say? When them think is sleep and safety, is sudden destruction. When you think of sweet and safety, when you think of sleep, when the red ants think of sleep and safety, they must sleep, you know. Watch me and them recombine. I'm going to light a fire upon the tree, say, I'm going to get some kerosene and burn it down. Eh? I'm going to get some spray. You see when you look that? Alright. Our red ants good for? You know, someone catch some of them and crush them and see if them good for nothing. Maybe shall make some red ants tea. You never know. You know, it says scorpion get rid of things too. Eh? So maybe red ants is good for scenting. And like for bite, maybe I need to bite them back. Dirty damn red ants them, eh? So somebody research and see what red ants good for. Because I'm going to catch some of them, you see. I'll make some red ants wine. I'll sell it. I'm not drink it. Hey, so I have a nice little forest back here, so this is the pleasure of life, man. So today, what is the good news? Wait there, I saw what's up that. People. It look like this is a soursop, alright. Look like, here's the good news. Good news, people. There might be a soursop tree. Let me send it to mama, because mama can tell me what tree it is, because mama wiser than pusstick. Let me show off with my leaf alive. Alright people, so this is Randy Foolishness in the morning. I know that you watch some channel that talk about nastiness and slackness, but we talking about nature, because this is where God is. God is in nature, people. Look here. Look on the life we're going here, so man. Now you know some if you throw some more down so the tuna catch. Beautiful. So I'm gonna do some more farming, but today I'm gonna try to get the car up and running. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get up and running, but we know I love when I cook food. Remember, guys, focus on the good news. All right? Stop focus on the bad news. Everything is not about crime and who dead. Everything is death worshipping. What about life? So here's the good news. In today's news, one around the ackee, so hoping. And that is the news for the day. So on the walk slow, take on the time, and make sure you no wash your foot before you go to bed. This show has been brought to you by Mind Your Business and Shut Your Mouth. Shut your mouth later. This man is called Biggs.
Yeah.
Tell me about, hold it right beside your stomach. Tell me about the body cleanse. What happened to you?
Yes, man. It's me I tell you, say it's a joy. Believe me. Because first time I take this thing, man. And when time I digest it, I can feel it and bubble. When I go on my bed and wake up in the morning, I have to go to the bathroom, man. And I tell you, say, when my leg go, free me up. Man, feel free. Everything nice, man. I feel good in myself. Give thanks, man.
Your head, how did your head feel?
Oh my God, me I tell her that, me I tell my wife. When I take this thing everywhere, it's a joy.
It's like,
yes,
it's like you did have a stress on you.
Yeah.
It really, your head, it's like you're born again.
Yes, man, it release everything, man. I mean, I tell you, say, in the morning when we get up, rooster crew. Tough! Yes, I.
Where?
Yes, I tell you, man.
Where?
Good thing, man.
So not only did it body cleanse, clean you.
Clean you.
It make you feel like you.
Clean you and build you.
It build you too.
Come here, tell you, say.
Your stomach,
it did bigger, you know.
It did big.
Yeah.
Turn sideways for me. Turn
Yeah.
sideways, because I'm going to take a picture, put on your hand. Because what I'm going to do for you, we're going to put it on the Jamaica Health Box movement.
Yes.
We are going to put it on the movement, so them are going to say what happened to you.
Yes, sir.
Because all these Jamaicans, you know what I'm going to give you for a gift?
Yeah.
The good life.
The good life. Yeah, man.
You see the good life? Let me tell you when I eat.
Me not take it yet, about me know. From me see it. It's a herbs, man, still, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, man. But
So-
me know me little herbs. Me go on my market and me buy my herbs still, but me I tell you, this thing here,
9 years in the making.
nothing like it.
15 countries in Africa it's approved for.
Yeah.
These are the wickedest thing in the world. It's sell out.
Right.
No. Let me tell you about the good life.
Yeah.
Spirulina. Cold pressed coconut oil.
Yeah.
Slippery elm.
Yeah.
Never tired roots from Manchester.
Right.
Our root. The banana trunk. You see the white part of growing on the banana.
Right.
Some of that in
That
there.
long white part.
Inside
yeah,
the banana tree.
Yeah.
No. Watercress extract. Breadfruit extract.
Yo.
And the good life in him.
Yeah.
And then no. Stinking toe.
I know that one.
Okay, my
That
brother.
right now, me have it to tie up in my shop right
Okay.
now. Yeah.
So you can put back in your blender, add some ginger and some nutmeg.
Yeah.
Whatever you want, and peanut.
Yeah.
Keep it in the fridge. But this is the first buckle them ever, a man ever have in a Jamaica. A history where I make.
Alright,
We brought
man.
this to Jamaica
Yeah.
9 years.
Right.
Of 15 countries in Africa. And you,
Yeah.
what we are going to do for you, turn the belly sideways. Because when we're done with you,
Yes, I.
them are going to know, say, we want to help the man them. You see all of this?
Yeah.
We're
Gone.
going to get rid of it. So take
I never have it like this, you know.
I
I
want
thought I did flat, man, but I just
work,
I not
stress.
work, you know. Man, eat whole eat.
So all the Jamaican them I watch this when I go to Jamaica Health Box. When them say, don't eat meat, don't eat meat without fermentation. Fermentation is the healing of the nation. If you drink kombucha or roots from the Rastaman or sauerkraut or pickle, so when you eat the rice and the meat and thing, you have to have fermentation or good catch up. So that is your problem. You haven't been moving. And the cold pressed coconut oil is supposed to drink it every night you go bed.
Okay.
So the food that digests, but the cold pressed, the big cold pressed coconut oil, you drink that.
Yeah.
And keep the stomach slippery. Movement.
Yes.
So what happens is everything did stop. It stopped in the intestine. So now this,
Yeah.
And one left in Jamaica, you know.
This.
Me have to cut this in half.
Yeah,
Figure
that's
some.
tell me, yeah.
So I have an elder.
Yeah.
So the people in Jamaica sign up on the waiting list at Jamaica Health Box. We're bringing it come. We
Right.
can't left for out because enough of the man them
Man.
and the woman them. And when you touch this, it's just,
Yeah.
why so solid? Why not?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So,
Give thanks.
yeah, what you do? When you now go drive on the road, you take 2.
Right.
And you know what you do when you take 2 before.
man,
You know say no play. So no go road.
Me know that. Me know
This now, after you take 2, the next day you drink half of this.
half of this. Yeah.
And keep it. And then you take 2 the next day.
Ah,
So do what you do.
yeah.
You know, we're gonna watch you.
Yes, man.